I can't even believe I'm saying this, but today we got a package from Red Digital Cinema. Let's go. Out of all the overheating cameras, the low light cameras, the one that I was most excited about this summer was the Red Komodo. And I got one. This is straight up an unboxing video, a close-up look at the actual Red Komodo and what comes inside the box. If you guys want to make sure to see some test footage, see some best accessories for the Red Komodo, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can find out right when those videos drop, because they are coming soon. Let's do this. Guys, I cannot believe that it is here. I can't believe I got on the list. I can't believe that I got one. Freaking Red Komodo and some accessories for it. I can't. Dude, this is Christmas during summer for me, especially during COVID. Oh God. Okay, here we go. So I picked up the Outrigger handle, and this is specifically the one designed for the Komodo. I highly recommend the handle for this guy for sure. It doesn't have to be the Outrigger, but I love that this thing has a record button built in. I think that's super cool. It was definitely an on the fence back and forth, but I decided to pull the trigger on it. Since this was my first Red camera, shout out to the Red team, Dan especially. They hooked me up with one of these awesome Red trucker hats. Can't wait to try that on. Guys, first Red camera ever. I honestly never thought the day would come. So this is freaking amazing, and here's the box. So if you haven't heard anything about the Red Komodo yet, this is their smallest dedicated camera to date, because if you didn't know, they also made a cell phone. Check that out, that thing was pretty cool. But this guy specifically is what I've been waiting for all summer. I cannot believe I actually got one. This is the special Stormtrooper edition that they released with some of their cameras. They only make a certain amount of these. This is, if you haven't guessed it yet, a white edition, which is so cool. So a big caveat is this camera is still currently in beta software, which is pretty cool. That means that there's only room to improve and add more features, so I can't wait to see what else Red does with this awesome camera. Let's open it up. That feels satisfying right there. You know, I gotta say, the attention to detail, I've literally scoured YouTube for all the different Red videos on the Komodo that are possible. Any test footage, any unboxings, I've checked them all out. And I can't believe that I'm here making my own. This is, gosh, I've seen, like I said, all the unboxing videos, and the attention to detail. This box with the scaly feel of like a Komodo dragon, that is so cool. So to give you a quick runaround, because this is a dedicated unboxing video, I want to show you the skull on the box, that Red logo, a little bit of Komodo action. Ooh, that magnetic clasp, oh my goodness. So, Komodo launch sequence, just a little image there that looks super dope. Get a little Komodo card, congratulations, to register. That's pretty awesome. Oh God, I cannot, no words. My first Red camera, guys, I literally, oh my goodness. All right, so I'm not gonna tease you. We're gonna jump straight to the camera first. I'm so excited. I've seen literally every single YouTube video on YouTube of the Red Komodo, and still, it is so much smaller than I thought it would be. I don't know why. I've seen so many videos. This is so cool, and this is my first Red camera that I've ever held. I've seen multiple in person, never even touched them. I've just taken pictures of them. So to have my very own, this is the coolest thing ever. Just for reference, this is my second dedicated cinema camera I've ever had. The first one I ever had was the C200. I absolutely loved that thing, but it was a little big for me, so I downgraded to the Canon 1DX Mark II, and I have loved that, so that's what I'm shooting on right now. And I'm so excited to test this guy out, because even just the form factor holding it up to my 1DX, it is smaller than my 1DX, which is pretty cool. Obviously, I'm not gonna be vlogging on this thing, but that'd be kind of fun to test too, so drop a thumbs up if you wanna see that. We are for sure talking more about this. Let's get inside the box, see what else comes inside. All right, so also inside the box, you get my first ever red sticker. You get different travel adapters, which is pretty cool. Everybody's been showing these off. It's pretty cool that they come in this little case. I like that. And then here is the power adapter right there. And this is gonna come in super handy tonight because there's currently a shortage on BP955 batteries and 975 batteries, which is super annoying. So mine's coming in the mail still. So I'm gonna have to power mine on with this power adapter. All right, also inside the box, you get the other half of your power adapter, some paperwork, and I'm pretty excited that they included this. So you get the RF to EF adapter, because if you didn't know, the red Komodo is an RF mount camera, which is pretty awesome because that sensor is so close and I love that. And so with this, like I said, this is in beta currently. So most RF lenses, if not all of them, I don't think are currently supported. So you actually need this adapter to be able to use EF lenses, especially with autofocus. And I am so excited. Dude, that's the unboxing. That's what comes inside the box. Give you a few close-up shots of the red Komodo. And this, like I said, is a dedicated unboxing video. So if you want to see me power it on, if you want to see test footage, autofocus tests, if you want to see what accessories you should get for your red Komodo, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's right there, super easy. Hit that real quick and then hit that bell notification so you can find out exactly when that video comes out. Because the YouTube algorithm is crazy weird, and that's the only way to find my videos nowadays, apparently. Since I don't yet have a fancy top-down shot, let's just quickly show you inside the box. Love that detail. Look at the red. You'll see some red inside that box, and then the red skull logo. You can see it right there. That's so cool. The launch sequence. This is definitely one of those kind of boxes that you, for sure, are keeping. Drop a comment below. Let me know what kind of content you want to see with this awesome new camera.